Alright, I'm going to cover manual brake conversion on a new edge because it needs to be covered. This is a strange type master cylinder, and it is bolted to the Maximum Motorsports adapter. You can use a stock master cylinder with this kit too. I had to switch because of, well, clearance issues with the big block. But the Maximum Motorsport pedal kit is great because it comes with the pedal, the switches, and everything. Yes, it does. It says it doesn't fit these cars, but it does. You see, you got an adjustable brake pedal, and that helps out quite a bit. Plus, it changes the pivot point up under the dash as well. So, I wanted to cover that. And another thing I wanted to cover is if you're deleting the ABS, you can come out of here and do your brake lines like I did. I set it up to where I can switch the lines later. I ran the brake lines across the firewall because I planned on doing tubular front end later. But when I go to the drag racing brakes, I can flip those lines around like they need to be later on down the road. That's why I planned ahead. But I want to talk to you about the line lock. I always put the line lock in the rear. Why do I put the line lock in the rear? Well, I put the line lock on the rear so that way I can use the front brakes to walk the car out of the water box. Or if I want to do a standing mile burnout, I can. So that way I'm in control of the front brakes and the rear brakes are just blocked off to where no brake fluid gets back there and you're not going to burn up your brakes. Got the new headers fitted in pretty much. Still waiting on the new motor to come back, but I figure I'll cover the Maximum Motorsport manual brake conversion kit because I see that there's a lot of plate kits out there. They give you the push rod, but none of them come with a brake pedal like this one does, and it's an adjustable brake pedal. You'll actually get more leverage on the Maximum one because it hangs down farther. And it's adjustable. If you want it a little shorter, you can make it that way. Push rod's adjustable as well, and you get a nice little billet firewall plate for it as well. I hope this helps some of you guys out.